Are your potential clients ignoring your emails? Does it look like that every time you send an email, it ends in a desert of nothing, in a void, in an empty container, and no one replying to you? Well, in this case, you should watch this video because I'm going to show you a 5-step method that you can use to create emails that will be effective, that will make your potential clients become real clients. So stay with me because you're gonna like it. Anyway, I'm Alessandro and I'm a digital nomad, and in this channel I teach you exactly how to get private and remote clients. So if you want to stay with me for other videos and you want to learn how to get clients, subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to this channel with the red button that you have below, and don't forget to click on the bell, because in this way you will be notified every time I will post a new video on this channel. And if you want, if you have 5 seconds of your time, click on the like button as well if you like the content that I will provide in this video. That said, welcome to the Escape 95 show. Let's start from common mistakes, things that you should avoid when you send an email to a potential client. First of all, a mistake that I see over and over. If you create a generic email that you send to a lot of potential clients and you're trying to get a client because you message 100 of them, well, this is not a great technique. This is not a method that will bring you clients, because this will send to them a specific message. And the message is, look, I don't have time to write to you. I just took an email and I made other 100 emails, all the same of the first one, and I sent them to all the possible people I could work for. So it sends this message. It sends a message of, I don't have time to write you. I don't have time to talk specifically to you. I just created a template and I'm using this template over and over and over. Now, how do you think that your potential client will take this email seriously? When I receive one of those emails, I just delete it. I don't read it. This person didn't have time to write to me. You should do the opposite. You should spend time researching on the person you're going to message and create an email that is highly personalized on the person you're writing to. Second mistake that you should avoid absolutely is talking about yourself. Talking about yourself, about all the great things that you did, all the great clients you work for, all your skills. Look, these people you're writing to, they don't want to read about you. They're not interested. First of all, because they don't know you. So why should they be interested in you? Second thing, they want to know if you are the right person to fix a problem or problems, plural, that they have. You should talk about the client. You should talk about what the client needs. You should talk about problems the client has. You shouldn't talk about yourself. All right, let's get into the 5 steps of writing an effective email that will make your potential clients become real clients. Step number 1, and this is the first thing that your potential client sees on your email. The first thing that you write on your email is honest appreciation about this client. What do I mean with honest appreciation? Well, first of all, I'm not talking about flattery. I'm not talking about a fake compliment. I'm not talking about that, because no one likes flattery. No one likes fake adulation. I don't want that. If you write me something that you don't think, I will understand it. So it has to be honest. It has to be sincere. You need to write something that you actually believe in, something that you like about this potential client. That's why you should take the time to research. Now take a look at everything this potential client has. A website, social media profile, anything you can put your hands on. Take a look at everything this client has and find something that you like. Find something that you honestly like about this potential client. Maybe the website, maybe there is something on his or her website that you really like. Maybe it's not all the website, but there is something specifically that you like. Or maybe this person has a YouTube channel like mine. But if someone tells me, look, I watched this specific video and this thing that you said in this video was genius, like I loved that, I really liked that. If someone tells me that, I would be super happy. I would be super happy because I know that that person actually watched my video and liked something that I said in one of my videos. Find something you honestly like about this person or about this person's business and mention it at the beginning of your email. You have to show them immediately that this email is real. It's not fake email, it's real email. Step number 2. This is the moment you introduce yourself. Remember what I told you, that you shouldn't spend too many words about yourself because your potential client isn't interested
about yourself. Well, that's the moment you introduce yourself, but you do it quickly. If you're a copywriter, write, I'm Alessandro, I'm a copywriter, and I help people writing better emails. That's it. They don't need to know more than that. The introduction should be really, really quick. Should be really quick and should be really specific about yourself. Don't spend too many words about saying, look, I'm Italian, I come from this city, I lived in this city, I work for these clients, these are the skills that I have, blah, 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 blah. People are not interested about this, not yet. So really quick introduction about yourself. Just say specifically what you do for your clients and what kind of solutions you give to them. Step number 3 is about the problem. Those potential clients that are interested in one single thing, in one thing. Are you the person who can fix their problem or problems? You started with sincere appreciation about the product, person, or business, and then you introduce yourself quickly, and now it's time to show them that you spot a problem they have. You need to send a couple of emails per day. I always say maximum 3 emails per day to 3 potential clients, but you need to take time to research. You need to take time to gather all the information that you can about them. Quality is better than quantity. Don't send 100 emails, send 3 emails, but they should be perfect, shaped absolutely on the potential client. If you're a web designer, take a look at everything is graphic about their business. Take a look at their website, take a look at their social media assets, and I mean images, carousels, videos, everything that they create for their social media profiles. Take a look at their emails, take a look at the template for their emails. Could it be better? Could you do something about that? If you're a copywriter, take a look at what they write on their blog. Take a look at what they write on their emails. You know how I got my copywriter, how I got the person that is working for me as a copywriter. Well, this person messaged me back and told me, Alessandro, I really like what you do. I've been watching your videos for a while, but I wanted to reach out to you because I spot a few errors, a few English errors in your emails and your website. And I'm gonna tell you exactly what I saw. And this person added screenshots of the errors that I had in my articles, in my emails. And she told me, look, I'm a copywriter. I would love to work for you if you're looking for a copywriter. Now she's my copywriter. This is the same thing that you should do. You should find problems and weaknesses in your potential client system and then address them. And this leads us to the step number 4. Obviously, you talked about the problem. Now you have to talk about the solution. So if you show what is the problem, then you have to explain exactly what you will do about the solution. This copywriter I told you about, she wrote me what was the problem, and then in the solution she said, look, I'm a copywriter. You know what? I can write your emails. Or if you want to write your emails, I can take a look at the emails and I can spot the errors and I can fix them. Or if you want me to take a look at your articles after you write them, I can do the same. Or if you want me to write your article, just give me a bullet list and I will write the articles for you. Even better, you know what? You have videos and you are natural in front of the camera. So if you want, I can take a look at your videos and I can transcript them and I can write articles for you. It's not that she's told me, look, if you want, I can be your copywriter, full stop. That's it. No, she showed me what is the solution that she provided me, that she wanted to provide me. Same thing you should do. Don't stop yourself talking about the fact that you can make my website responsive. Tell me what you're gonna do. Even if you're talking about technical things, doesn't matter. The important thing is that you show me with your words that you know what you're talking about. So really important. This is something that you have to remember. Don't forget about this. Problem and solution. It's all about these 2 things. It's all about these 2 things. If you get a client or if you don't get a client. If someone doesn't reply to your emails, it's because you didn't show what is the real problem and you didn't show what is the solution you provide. Step number 5. Step number 5 is an easy way to talk with you. I told you this at the beginning of this video. Now, if you say to this person, write me back, you can do better than this. Look, right now we have the possibility to talk in front of a screen. We saw how powerful are tools like Zoom, especially with the pandemic. We know that it's possible to
communicate with everyone around the world, so why not giving to this person an easy solution? There are great tools like Calendly, for example, to schedule a call with you. Calendly is totally free if you use it for with the free plan, if you don't need fancy things. Use Calendly to schedule a call with you, and then use Zoom to have a call with this person. It's a lot better to talk in person instead of writing back and then you have to write back again. It takes time and people are busy. So give a better solution to talk with you. Step number 5 is to add a call to action to have a call with you face to face if you want to do that. Now there is a step 6 that is optional. You don't have to do this, but it's optional. It's gonna help you and it's gonna be powerful in case your field can use a solution like this. Now, it's great to add examples. As I told you, this copywriter working with me, she added examples. She added all the things that she wanted to show me, all the errors that I made with my emails and my articles. So she showed me exactly what she could change for me. If you want to make my website responsive on mobile devices, send me a mock-up of how it will look like, how it looks right now on mobile, what you're gonna do. What is the solution that you're gonna give me? This is gonna work a lot better. Other things that I want to tell you, don't give up on people that don't reply to you. Something that you should do is to have a plan. You send an email to someone, but then remember that you message that person. Some of them are busy at the moment and then they forget to reply to you. Some of them are not in the right moment to hire someone. Don't give up on them. Put an alarm, put a notification for yourself on your calendar or something, whatever you want to do. Put it in a couple of months to message again this person in case this person didn't come back to you, to your email, and write to this person again because maybe it wasn't the right moment. I got a lot of clients like that. Some of them, they didn't reply to me. Some other told me, look, it's not the right moment. I'm sorry. I'm not gonna hire anyone. I didn't give up on them. I sent another email in a couple of months to these people and I told them, look, I messaged you a couple of months ago and I wanted to know if you are in the right place right now, if you are in the right place to hire someone because I still want to work for you. You have no idea how many clients I got like this. How many clients told me no, gave me a first no, how many clients ignored my emails and then they reply to the second email. So don't give up on them. Now, if you reached this part of this video, it means that you really like this video. So thank you so much for watching so far. And I want to reward you for this. I want to give you a gift. If you want, in the description of this video, there is a way to download 3 emails, 3 real emails that I sent to potential clients. I want to show you exactly what I did in those emails, what I wrote, because you will recognize the system that I told you. Take a look at what I wrote and use the same structure. Now, before I close this video, I want to tell you one thing. I want to tell you that you should create real connections with your potential clients, your followers, people that are watching your videos like mine, or people that are following you online. In a world where everything is automated, and in a world where automations are everywhere, chatbots, emails automation, and all of these things that people use online for their businesses, don't forget that there is a person on the other side of the screen. Talk to them in an honest and sincere way and create a connection. This is the only way you will make sales if you have products or services. This is the only way you will get customers. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that I gave you some good ideas to start with. And remember, first of all, subscribe to the channel if you're not a subscriber. And then if you want to help me, if you found this video helpful and you want to help me too, well, share this video wherever you want. Thank you again for watching and I'm gonna see you in the next video.